Assalamualaikum students, hopes you will be fine. Today we will revise the last topic of this unit, that is reproduction. Reproduction is also an important or necessary function, life function that occurs in all living organisms. First of all, what is reproduction? Basically, reproduction is a process through new individuals or babies are produced from their parents. By the help of reproduction, every living organisms, animals, plants or microorganisms can increase their number or can produce new individuals or babies. Reproduction occurs in every living thing or every living organisms differently. For example, if we talk about animals, some animals give birth to their babies. Some lay eggs from which new young one or individuals hatch. If we talk about plants, plant reproduction is totally different from animals. Plant can produce new individuals or increase their number by producing seed or spores. For example, cows, giraffe, cats, elephant, monkeys. These animals give birth to their young ones. While birds, reptiles, insects like honeybee, they lay eggs from which new babies hatch or emerge from the eggs. Plants, different type of plants produce seed or spores. Some produce seed and some produce spores. After that, these seeds and spores produce new individual or new plant. All living things produce young ones like themselves. Cows, giraffe, cats, elephants and monkeys all give birth to babies. All these animals are also known as the mammals, because mammals give birth to their young ones. Some animals produce only one baby at a time, while others produce several. Some, such as mice, can produce up to 32 babies at one time. Birds, reptiles and insects lay eggs from which babies hatch. It means after laying egg, the babies emerge from the eggs. Most plants produce seeds. A seed grows into a young plant from place to place in a variety of ways. Seeds can be dispersed or spread by animals, birds, insects, wind and water. These are the ways or methods through seeds spread from one place to another. Some plants produce spores, not seeds. Spores are usually spread by wind or water. Now, we will discuss the concept check. Number 1. All living things perform certain functions. What are the 7 functions you have learned about in this unit? The answer of this question is that we have learned about all living things move, grow, take in food, respire, produce waste, have sensitivity and reproduce. These are the 7 life functions we have learned in the unit number 3. Next, question number 2. Complete these sentences. Most mammals give birth to babies. Some mammals produce only one baby, for example, human and cow at a time, while others produce many, for example, rabbits. Rabbits produce many babies at a time. Okay students, this is all about the reproduction. Hopes you will understand. Thank you for listening.